Welcome! In this video, we'll dive into the world of Roblox Executors, discussing what they are and how to install them on your iPhone or iPad in 2025. First, let's talk about compatibility. We'll outline the iOS version and any requirements you need to meet for a smooth installation. Step 1 is finding a reliable Roblox executor. Make sure to use trusted sources to ensure your device's security. If needed, we'll show you how to install a third-party app store to access the Roblox executor. Next, we'll start the download process for the executor from the app store we just installed. Now, let's configure your device settings to allow the executor to work properly. This step is crucial. With everything set up, it's time to launch the executor and connect it to Roblox. Let's test the executor with a sample script to see how it performs in Roblox. Don't worry if you encounter issues. Here's how to troubleshoot some common installation problems. In conclusion, always prioritize safety when using Roblox executors. Follow these tips to enhance your experience.